A day as a machine operator begins with checking the machines to ensure they are in proper working condition and ready for the day's tasks. The next step is setting up the machines according to detailed instructions and starting the production process. Precision during setup is key to achieving accurate results. Throughout the day, machine operators monitor the equipment, ensuring it runs smoothly. If adjustments are needed, they step in quickly to keep the process on track. Inspecting the parts produced is another critical task. Machine operators ensure every piece meets the required quality standards before it moves forward in production. As the day ends, they clean and maintain the machines, keeping them in top condition for future use and minimizing downtime. While the role offers structure and the satisfaction of producing high quality results, it comes with challenges. Long hours, attention to detail, and handling occasional technical issues can be demanding. But for a machine operator, the reward lies in being a vital part of the production process, ensuring efficiency and quality every step of the way.